Greetings and welcome to Glodeanu.com, an online invoicing webpage. You can create an account, add the seller banking information, add users to view and add to your account's data, add services and/or products, add different client banking and miscellaneous information, create invoices, export them in PDF format, directly send the PDF invoices on your email. Search for a previous existing invoice. Export all your Glodeanu.com data into CSV format. In this fourth chapter, the updating of the seller's banking information will be presented. Kindly log in on Glodeanu.com. Click on the Update button from the Functions menu, followed by the clicking on the Banking Details button. Fill in the required fields, as selecting and banking information, and fill in the value of the selected field. Click on the Update button. You will be prompted with a success message and the information will be updated. Regards and take care from Glodeanu.com.